Fasteners must be long enough to penetrate a minimum of 3/4 of an inch into nailable material and be spaced at a maximum of 16 inch apart. Homes that have missing fasteners will have random buckling on the wall or have the appearance of the siding falling off. Siding may also have a striped appearance if nailed too loosely. As mentioned before, push up from the bottom until the lock is fully engaged with the piece below it. Without stretching the panel, reach up and fasten it into place. Panel should be nailed from the center towards the ends. Do not nail tight, as there should be a thickness of a dime between the fastener head and the vinyl.